Hello from Johnson Ford. My name is David. This is stock number 917607. This is a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab. It is powered by the 3.5 EcoBoost engine. It does have the long box FX4 package. Now, it already went to the shop where we spent $1,600, so you don't have to. That took care of 4 new tires, full synthetic oil, filters, air filters, 172 point inspection. Now, this is a certified pre-owned with only 31,000 miles on it. You get the remaining Ford factory warranty, plus you get a 12-month 12,000 mile complimentary limited warranty, a 7-year 100,000 powertrain warranty, and much more. So make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is David at 715-246-3673 to schedule your test drive on this.